is to fold. Yes. Now you pick up the sole of your palm and yes. So this part is very delicate. So for children at home, you need to get adults, your parents or your guardian to do this part for you. Done cutting the top of our slippers. So we have two for Lucas. We have two for Lucas. That's the 4 centimeter and the 3 centimeters. Then also for Eri, we have the 4 centimeters, the 3 centimeters, and we have the 5 centimeters for Didi. So the next step is to insert this, that's the top, into this line that we've cut into the sole. Beautiful. Once you've inserted the top of the palm into the sole and you've confirmed that it's your size, then you can fold it. For those at home, if you have gum, you can make use of gum, but we're going to be making use of stapler over here.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Once you've successfully stapled the top to the base, the next step is to fit the other sole, which is the base of the sole, to the other part of it. So watch me as I do this. Pick up your stapler, place it here. And like I said, for those at home, you can make use of a gum. Beautiful. And this is the outcome of our slippers. Viewers at home, isn't this beautiful?
Yeah.
Feel free to try this at home. Don't forget, all you need is a carton or cardboard, your scissors, your razor blade, and ensure you have an adult with you for safety. Also, you need your ruler, pencils, and a glue. Thank you for joining us on this edition, and see you